Hey y'all, I am back with another video. I am partnering with HerGivenHair and I'm trying out their bye-bye leave out thin part wig. So let's get started. So this is how I have my hair right now. So I did have a little two twists there and I just pinned it up with some bobby pins in the back. So anyways, this is the package that it came in. So I did receive this amazing message by the brand ambassador. I was like, okay. It also came with their product instruction book, some extra clip-ins, and also a strap right here for adjustment in case I want to adjust it. So this is how the wig look out of the box. So I was like, okay, 3C4A. I can definitely see it looks like my hair texture. And also the cap size is a medium. So this is how the V-part wig looks. So it is supposed to be invisible. To start off with a fresh look, I did co-wash the hair as well. So now I'm about to go ahead and apply it on my hair. I was like, okay, the curl pattern was looking amazing, but we're going to go ahead and make it look like it's my hair and growing out my scalp. Because it is invisible part, I don't have to have any leave out, so I went ahead and just put it on my hair. Now, I could have used a stocking cap to protect, but I was like, you know what? This is going to be something that I can just plop on my head and go. So I just applied it onto my head, as you see right here. After I apply the combs on my hair, I am pushing my hair back, and I also am trying to make sure that I secure it onto my head. So they do have some comb attachments within this wig cap, so I am applying the ones on the side and also the one in the back. After I secure those parts, this is how the wig look without me actually doing anything much to it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a wash and go. I just applied some curl activator, nothing too much to bring a big hold to. I didn't really need a lot of hold because naturally these curls are just popping in itself. But I went ahead and raked the product in my hair as well. And as you see, it didn't have any bad shedding or anything. So I love the fact that I'm able to actually rake my fingers through without worrying that it's going to be a whole lot of shedding going on. If you're familiar with my hair texture and how I do my wash and goes, you know that my hair looks so similar to this. Now, this is 3C4A. That's why I kind of put my hair in that category because the curls look so similar to it. So it definitely blends in and I can definitely pull it off and act like it's all mine. To make this wig seamless, I did snip the front as you see here, so it is cutting out into a V. So it had these clip-ins that I'm just placing right here, and I'm just like, okay, this is very neat, y'all. Like, it looked like it's growing from my scalp. I had to test it out to see, you see how it blends in. So I am doing some manipulating so that way you can't really see the wefts at all. So I am using my hard bristle brush, and I am brushing it forward so that way it can cover up any type of, wig threading that you may detect. But overall it blends in really well, and I just use my holding spray and I use my bristle brush to kind of smash it down. I really try to blend this in well, and I love the fact that after I did all of this, you cannot even tell. Like, you could just get up and go. I love this wig because it requires no leave out whatsoever, no glue, no crochet. I mean, for the people that really don't know how to put a wig on to make it look good, this is for you. And I'm one of those people, okay? After I blend my hair, I'm just using this pick and I'm just picking my hair to fluff it out and achieve volume. So this hair is definitely volume achievable, if that's how you can say it. Like, I achieved the volume so well, so I'm just fluffing it, and I feel like the more I pick it out, the bigger it does get. I'm interested to see how big it really get, but for now, for this video, I'm just going to show y'all how it gets like this. Just in case you're wondering, the hair color for this is 1B, so they do provide color service, and also this is 20 inches as well. I'm so happy. I was like, okay, we looking good. This is definitely something I could wear every day because sometimes I just don't feel like wearing my real hair. I love that this wig feels so natural, like it definitely looks like it's mine, and also the invisible part, it blended in very well. You can't really tell at all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Check out my description box for more information on this hair. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and check out HerGivenHair.com.